Welcome back to Auto Octane. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the return of an icon. After years of rumors and speculation, Honda has finally brought back the legendary S2000 for 2025, and it's everything enthusiasts have been hoping for. The original S2000 was a purist's dream, with its high-revving VTEC engine, lightweight chassis, and razor-sharp handling. Now, Honda has taken that same formula and reimagined it for the modern era. This isn't just a revival, it's a full-on evolution of a classic. Under the hood, the 2025 S2000 features a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, borrowed from the Civic Type R, but tuned specifically for this roadster. It cranks out around 330 horsepower, delivering more power than ever before. And yes, Honda has kept the 6-speed manual transmission alive, ensuring that raw, engaging driving experience remains at the heart of the S2000. The chassis is lighter and stiffer than before, with a perfect 50/50 weight distribution, keeping that agile, balanced feel the original was known for. Honda has also equipped it with an updated suspension system, ensuring it grips the road like a proper sports car should. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or hitting the track, the new S2000 is built to thrill. Visually, Honda has blended modern design cues with the sleek, timeless proportions of the original. The long hood, short rear deck, and aggressive stance make it instantly recognizable, while the LED lighting, aerodynamic enhancements, and lightweight materials give it a fresh, contemporary look. Inside, the cockpit is all about the driver. A minimalist but high-tech approach means a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and premium materials that enhance the sporty yet refined feel. Honda has struck a perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? While official pricing hasn't been announced yet, insiders suggest it will start around $60,000, putting it in direct competition with cars like the Toyota GR Supra and Nissan Z. Given its heritage and performance, it's shaping up to be a serious contender in the lightweight sports car segment. So, is the 2025 Honda S2000 the rebirth of a legend or just another nostalgia-driven cash grab? Let us know in the comments what you think. Would you take this over a Supra or an MX-5? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. We'll see you next time on Auto Octane.